Clay McKinney, Developer On-Ramp, Introduction to HTML. We're talking about tables, and we've already talked about table, TR, and TD. We're going to talk about table heading, the TH tag. So let's get to it. Alright, we need some headers for this table. So we'll make another row, and in this row we will make TH, table header elements, close TH. We need 4 of them. 2, 3, 4, and of course this is name, city, occupation, and secret identity. Okay, now let's see how that looks. We'll go over here where we have it open. Oh look, we didn't change the title, and we will refresh it. Okay, so now we've got name, city, occupation, and secret identity. That's cool. TH tag, table header. Alright, now let's fix stuff. Alright, we changed the title here. Oh, it's just not wide enough. Yeah, it is right. Okay, but we didn't want to make it. We don't want it to say HTML template. That's not right. What did we do before? Okay, yeah, we just want it to say tables. We got a little overzealous. All right, we'll save that, and then we need to add our TH element down here to the bottom. TH tag makes a table header, headline, heading. Okay, let's save it. Good. Okay, we are well on our way.